Hey everyone, Daniel back again showing you what's in stock in the showroom at Serenity Knives. Here we are going to be with Kershaw. I've got a Speed Safe Special Edition Dividend. Let's delve right into this guy. Really cool Speed Safe assisted knife. That is one of Kershaw's pretty much premier things they do. I love it. It's a nice snappy mechanism. What you're looking at right here is going to be OD green aluminum. We've got liners right here, these stainless steel black liners, and I believe back spacer, deep carry pocket clip. Really cool for an assisted knife, and for Kershaw it's a 4-way reversible, so tip up, tip down, left, right, doesn't matter. You got your lanyard hole right there, which is really good, and here's our little flipping mechanism. As always with an assisted, you just got to give it a kickstart and it comes on out. Now this blade, guys, I am ecstatic, not just about this blade, but about this knife, and I'll cover those points here quickly, but let's just delve right into the blade. We've got a hollow ground Wharncliffe blade, super slicey, nice and long, super thin right here, as you can see, to help aid in that slicey performance. A metallurgy phenomenon, whatever you like to call it, I'm in love with it. So we're going to have 3 alloys, 2 steels in this, guys. We're gonna have a stonewashed Bohler N690 up here, and then right here in this darker part is gonna be CPM D2, just a enhanced version of D2. And I'm gonna bring this in a little closer, and hopefully you guys can see, but there is that little light rose gold brown kind of tinge that's just outlining all these triangles. I can better show you right here. There's a line right there, that's copper, and that's copper. And basically what I'm showing you is how they've brazed these 2 steels with the accent of copper in it. And it is just a beautiful thing, guys. Not only is it something that's done really cool, this is something you see done a lot in forging, but it's a produced thing, so it's awesome. And my favorite point, guys, you know I don't cover price, but I'll say this. This is under $100. So you're going away with his steel, not just the fact that it's an assisted mechanism, not just the fact that it's a great steel, but you get a scientific metallurgy, just beautiful knife, 4-way pocket clip. You know, in so many ways, you just can't beat this knife. If I were to knock it, guys, and I'll give you that, this is just my preference, is just that liner lock is a little hidden. I like the fact that it's nice and sleek, but for some people it's going to be harder to reach. When you're a knife guy like myself, it's not. You get used to it, but I know for some people that can be the downturn for this guy. Cool milling on both sides of it. Let's take a look at our stats here. From tip to heel, I'm looking at about 3 1/4. Love that size. Right underneath where the index fits, you're looking at 3 1/2. So another close 1-to-1 ratio. I love that because it makes things look very good and even. I'm not a fan of anything where the handle or the blade is too big or too small in comparison to the other. So I'm really a fan of this guy. You can see I can fully put this guy in my hand, put my thumb right there. Fingertip test gets me over half, closer to the point. I love that. I love this nice deep sharpening choil, so that way we can do great sharpening over its lifetime. Fully closed, you're looking at under 4 1/2. And that's also beautiful in the pocket. Super thin, guys. Not even, I mean, you're just inching over 1/4 of an inch. So really, really nice slim design as well. Just a beautiful speed safe mechanism. As always, guys, pricing is going to be on serenityknives.com. Make sure to hit and smash that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to check us out and make sure you're seeing everything that's coming out new. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks, everybody.